So the following weekend.
Mom. It's Mom, a bear. At home. Wow.
It's Mama Bear at home, apparently. So yes, I was here. The first set of people did some planting in the high tunnel, and then they could not fix the water system. So I ordered another water system in, and they put the water system in and planted the beans in the other 2 rows. So that is just a little short of this video, what's happening here. So my other daughter videoed this video, and then my other daughter is up there this weekend. So some of the beets are up. Got a picture of that at the end of this video. And then now some of the pumpkins are up. She is haying things in. So whatever came up already, she is haying in. She said the potatoes were not up yet. That would have been 2 weeks ago that she did that. They were not up yet, but the beans that were just planted last weekend were up. So she is just they only have 1 day. They left today, which is Sunday, and they are coming back tomorrow. They are doing redoing a shower plate, putting a shower in, and then we sold our tractor, so they are waiting for the person to pick that up. It's kind of bittersweet, right? Like, I don't know, I was having a little time emotionally dealing with like selling the tractor, but I think that it's the best for right now, because we need to just focus on what's here and now. So yes. So that is what's happening. They are doing that currently, and so I'll probably get that up or get something up once we see that things are growing more, which will probably be the end of the month. So that might not be probably get a video like the end of July or beginning of August, just how things are going. I just purchased a electric canner, so I'm waiting for that to come in. Please don't. I'm waiting for that to come in, so we'll be able to put some food up. That should be in, I think this week it's coming. And next month, for the month of August, we are going to be doing some of my favorite canning recipes, and I'm hoping to get an ebook out for that. I also am going to do a pretty exciting thing. Next month, I'm working on it currently. Next month, I am working on 50 ways to save on your groceries. So it's going to have not just a list of the 50 ways, but going to break down those 50 ways, exactly what that looks like in a household. So I hope that will bless you. That one's going to be a freebie. Yes, I am very thankful. Some of these, like I said before, that I was putting ebooks out, but I needed to be able to pay for the service of what was there so that I can offer free products, and I was able to pay for that for the month of July from my other ebook that I offered. So I'm very thankful that I'm able to put an actual freebie out for the month of August. So I will have that out for the month of August, and then I will have the other book, which will have a boatload of canning recipes for you guys, and that one will be on sale at some point during August. So I'm trying to get those videos together, trying to decide what the favorites are. What do you want to see us can? What's something that maybe I mentioned or you've seen like in a can jar, like my salsa or whatever that you've seen in the can jar, or maybe what's something that you are afraid to can and have not canned yet, but you would like to try it and just need that little push. So what's something that you would like to see us can? Write that down in the, I almost said the description box, the comments down below, and I will start making a list of things that we need to show you guys. So I hope that this video blesses you. It's just a short video, kind of, you can see what's going on. You'll be able to see what we can and can't do. We're not doing the whole high tunnel. It's just not practical for what we're doing. We are planting beans, we're planting beets, we're planting carrots, we're planting potatoes. and then we're planting squash outside. I don't know in the beds. Oh, and I think she did kale. Yeah, she's not here on it right now. I can't ask her. I think she did kale as well. So I'm not sure as far as the other beds go, if they have an opportunity maybe when they're doing other things to weed out a bed. They're playing a game literally like inches from the phone. Then maybe we'll do that there. But we're doing what we can with the space that we have. So and the time that we have. So I'll be glad for the things that we are able to grow. So hope you guys like this video. Might think about some things for the fall. I don't really know. Anyway, hope you have a blessed and wonderful day.
We are going to set up the sprinkler system on this side now. They did that side last weekend, so we're gonna do this side. So he's just screwing that piece on. Okay, so we finished the water sprinkler system on this side, and now we're going to plant beans in this row right here. Alrighty, so this row we weeded up and planted beans in there all the way down. That's strawberries.